So with this 7-piece 20-volt max kit, we'll go over all the tools you get and then just a quick synopsis of some of my favorite things about each tool. There's a lot of information here, but I'm going to cover this very quickly to help you decide if this is the right toolkit for you. You get a 6.5-inch circular saw, a precision oscillating tool, impact driver, drill driver, cordless sander, cordless radio, and a reciprocating saw. Plus it comes with a 2 ampere hour and a 5 ampere hour battery and charger. With the circular saw, I've had some negative experiences with other brands that they've switched to kind of a plastic or a composite base, and with this Dewalt, they've stuck with a metal base, and that's the one thing that really stands out to me and a feature that I like on this saw. The oscillating tool has an LED light, but what I really like best about it is the way that you change the blades out. It's got a quick release system, so just pull the lever and you can easily remove that blade. You can actually even install it sideways in case you have limited access for the cut you're trying to make. Overall, it's just a super handy tool for really precision cutting, like trimming door jambs for hardwood flooring installs. With the reciprocating saw, I already had a corded version, and sometimes what I found myself doing was just going out in the yard and trimming up branches, and for quick jobs like that, the cordless really wins. But my single favorite feature is the way you change blades. Instead of this being spring-loaded, you just lift the lever, swap in a new blade, and that leaves you 2 hands to perform the swap, and I just find that really easy to use. The drill driver has 2 speed selections on top, plus there's a nice clutch so you can vary how much torque the tool will deliver, but this is just an excellent everyday driver. Single LED light on the front, and for this one I find myself using the 2 ampere hour battery more than anything else. Whereas the impact driver is just a torque beast with this 5 ampere hour battery and 3 LED lights on the front, and to be honest, I haven't found a screw or fastener that I couldn't drive with this tool. With the sander, I really like using the 2 ampere hour battery. Everything feels nice and light and compact, and that's thanks primarily to the brushless style motor that they've switched over to. But my favorite feature has to be the twist lock fitting to release this dust bag. And that also works perfectly with the Dewalt dust extractors. It lets the fitting swivel, but it won't come loose. And finally, the Bluetooth stereo. This is kind of a bonus in the kit, the way it comes. You can run it off of a 20-volt max battery. Either one will fit just fine, but actually my favorite feature is the fact that you can use this AC adapter so you don't have to use up any of your batteries. Have one on the charger, one on the tool. You can pretty much work all day. So if you're looking to go from 0 to 60 on your tool collection, this 7-piece set is really amazing, especially because it's based on that 20-volt max system. So there's all sorts of tools you can add down the road, like a cordless trim router. It'll really have you covered if you just start out with this 7-piece set. For those reasons, I would highly recommend it.